Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Ethereum on Zengo wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zengo wallet or your Zengo application. Now over here, we're not going to pretend like we don't really like the user interface that Zengo has. It's really beautiful and classy, and then it allows the navigation process to be really easy and smooth. So right here in this homepage, you're going to find a couple features. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features, and these features are going to help you optimize your Zengo experience. Well, now that we're in this homepage, let's hop into today's task, which is how to buy Ethereum on Zengo wallet. So from this homepage, check the bottom of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. They include home, history, and then you have the middle icon, and you also have settings icon, and you have security icon. Now go ahead and click on the middle icon, and here you're going to have this extended menu that says receive, send, buy, sell, earn, swap, and connect. Now because we want to buy Ethereum, right, go ahead and click on the buy button. And the buy button is going to take you right here where you can now select the assets that you want to buy. So in this sense, or in this case, we're going to choose Ethereum. So go ahead and click on Ethereum, and it's going to take you to the window where you can now select the provider that you want to buy this buy the Ethereum through. So let's say you want to use MoonPay. So click on MoonPay and continue with MoonPay. It's coming right up. Ta-da! We're up. So what do you want to buy? Ethereum. So go ahead and select the fiat currency that you want to transfer this Ethereum to or into. So go ahead and select this fiat currency. Do you want to use USD? Do you want to use Australian dollars? You have a couple more, like a wide array of currencies that you can definitely change that Ethereum to. So go ahead and select the currency, and once you do that, you can now select the amounts that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy okay, so let's say I want to buy 500. All right, so this is what I'm gonna get as in USD. That's 0.1344 ETH for $500. So this is what I'm gonna get. So go ahead and click on this continue button, and once you click on that, you're gonna have to verify your email. So go through the verification process. Of course, after going through the verification process, check your email for you to get the verification code. Once you do that, go ahead and ensure it's correct. Go ahead and click on continue. And once you click on continue, that's going to be it. The further processes are self-explanatory, but it's just going to be the last steps, which will definitely include which actually include everything that you need to successfully buy your Ethereum. All right, it's going to be sent to your Zengo wallet. All right, you're going to find it right there, and you can even choose to withdraw it into your bank account that has been connected to your Zengo wallet. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.